What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, The Subi Fan. My name's Brandon. Remember, if you haven't caught all of our content, go check out all the videos. Today we got my boy Harry's 2018 STI, and he's gonna be getting some sick clean mods. He's got some taillights and a brake light to do, and he's got a nice STI wing coming. So let's jump into it. Alright guys, we got our 3 bolts for our taillight out. So realistically, all you want to do is like pull to you towards the asset. Right. Alright guys, so we got the taillights out. Super simple. Those are his new spec details, sequential, super clean. We'll drop the link in the description for them. Oh guys, it looks so much better now with the black on black. Super clean. Shadows already coming together. It's so like flush and subtle, yeah.
All right, so yeah, you wanted to.
Your cleanies?
I'll get some cleanies.
You got 3M?
And look.
Alright guys, so we got that little factory OEM, lip that comes on some of the STIs and all the WRXs. Honestly, pretty simple. It's just 2 8mm bolts and then some clips. And then he also bought this off of Subi Speed. I'll link the part in the description to cover up the holes. Like I said, he has the STI wing coming, so clean.
Not all of it. He has a few.
Oh, perfect.
How does that look, Brandon? You're gonna be our little eyesight.
Now, what do you want? Do you want higher or lower?
Do you want it to be flush or do you want
Right. That's how you're thinking now.
No,
You
no,
don't like it?
no going back now. You're stuck now, boy.
Dude, when I
Alright, guys, so-
I don't even know if I have a picture of the branch, but dude, when I tell you this thing was like massive, a truck clipped it off the tree
Yeah, that's right. I remember you telling me.
and it fell, dude.
Yeah, a truck clipped a branch and it ended up falling on Harry. He's got, you know,
Yeah, it scratched
a little
all
bit of
this
stuff,
up,
but
scratched all this up, indented there.
that's all right.
There's some scratches throughout the.
He's gonna slowly make this baby nice. She's coming together. She's got the tails now. He's got a third brake light as well, like we were saying. He did order the wrong one, but we're gonna get that settled. And the new pieces on here for the whole cover up. Man, it looks clean without the little lip. That's for sure.
That's great.
That looks good.
That looks great.
That looks awesome. Ooh, look at that, guys. So clean. So clean. Black on black gives it that, you know, much meaner look. And obviously you guys seen we did the trunk delete and he got this piece off of Subi Speed just to cover the holes. Super clean, man. Looks great. All right, Harry, what do you think about the tails, brother?
I fucking love it.
You fuck with them?
They look great.
Say less.
Changed the look so much, dude.
What do you think about the sequential? You like the sequential? Say less. Say less. And all right, guys, remember, let us know in the comments what you guys think about, you know, how the build's coming along. I think Harry's build is looking freaking super sick, especially now with the tails. He's got the brake light coming in, so remember, you know, keep an eye out for the new videos dropping. And, you know, next video is also going to be the STI wing that we're going to be installing, so keep a lookout for that. Remember, if you're liking all the content and you're liking the channel, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, do it all up. Subi fam out, baby.